So it's basically a citrus fruit that looks like a mini orange. The kumquat is from the Rutaceae plant family, and its historical genus category is called Fortunella. The kumquat is said to have originated in Southeast Asian countries like China, Japan, Taiwan, and India. But it wasn't cultivated in Europe and later North America until the early to mid 1800s. Did you know you can actually eat the skin, flesh, and the seeds? The skin is said to be a little sweet, while the flesh is said to be a little tart. Though the majority of North American producers are in California and Florida, the world's largest producer of kumquats is China. Kumquats flower in the early summer and begin to ripen between December and March. There are dozens of varieties of kumquats. Here are 4. The Hong Kong kumquat, Nagami kumquat, Marumi kumquat, and the Calamondan. This one is said to actually be a hybrid of the kumquat. It's a mixture between the calamansi and the mandarin. People use the kumquats in a bunch of different ways. For example, marmalade, jam, roasted, and candied. Although widely still known by its former genus name Fortunella, the official species name is Citrus japonica. The English word kumquat comes from the Cantonese word which basically means gold or golden, orange, or tangerine. If and when you do buy kumquats, remember they can stay on the counter for a couple of days, but they'll stay longer, up to 2 weeks, in the fridge. You can also freeze them for up to 6 months, but remember when they come out, they'll be a little smushy, but it's perfect if you're making jams or marmalade. In just 100 grams, that's 5 kumquats, you will find 71 calories, 2 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, 6.5 grams of fiber, and 16 grams of carbs. But of course there's more. Kumquats are high in antioxidants. They also contain vitamins A and C and lesser amounts of vitamins B and E. And they also have calcium, potassium, iron, zinc, copper, manganese, and magnesium. They support a healthy immune system. They may help in reducing inflammation and in aiding in digestion. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay right here for more What's What of food from around the world.
Nobody told me to settle